Hey, we're here with lifestyle expert Mandy Levefeld, and we're talking about Sumptuous Living, your amazing company that has such a great following. Tell us about it.
So Sumptuous Living is a lifestyle brand dedicated to everyday ease. We love to share how to have it all and not lose your mind in the process, especially when you're planning a holiday party.
And yeah, the holidays are already here, folks, and they kind of snuck up on us like they always do.
Like 2 minutes, right? Like it was yesterday that it was Easter. I don't know how we're already into Christmas, but
isn't that the truth? But your whole deal is going into the holidays and being able to entertain stress-free.
Right, exactly. You need to be able to plan, but also not freak out about planning, how to know the tips and tricks of the things that you can pick up from the store or what things to bother with to make at home, but also just like don't sweat it. No one's going to need therapy. They're all going to have a great time. No one's doing the dishes. So they're all coming to have a great time with you, and that's what the whole party is about.
And one thing I've learned over the years is that people don't know that they're missing anything.
Right.
If you do a nice presentation, that's pretty much going to tell everybody you put some thought and you care about this.
Right. Skip cleaning the baseboards or retiling that bathroom. The main thing is to make sure your counters are all cleaned, which an empty laundry basket is the perfect tip for that because you can walk through the whole house and pick up any stray things, and instantaneously your house is like party ready.
No wonder you're a lifestyle expert.
You can deal with that mess tomorrow, but that laundry basket's in the closet, and then now you're ready for a party.
And nobody's going to white glove your baseboards.
Right, exactly.
Okay, let's get started.
Yes. So we are going to first make an easy appetizer that can be fully prepped in advance. Everything on your menu should either be store-bought or prepped in advance or like adapted from being store-bought, okay? So what we have is a green pea crostini, recipes on both the Place's website and then also on our Sumptuous Living brand. And so we have simple frozen peas that we're going to go ahead and put in our food processor with some fresh mint, fresh garlic, lemon juice, lemon zest. That's where you get the flavor from things, lemon zest. And then olive oil, and make this beautiful little puree, and we smear it onto toasted bread with some prosciutto or your leftover ham from Christmas or from Thanksgiving. Perfect use for that, and it is the best bite, but fully prepped in advance and takes minutes to make. There's no cooking.
And I love the way you find these little nuanced flavors to throw in and intermix that people don't always think about.
Yeah. I mean, who thinks about doing a green pea crostini? But it's beautiful to look at. It's super fast. And if you have a girlfriend who shows up early and says, what can I do to help? If they're nice enough to offer, you be smart enough to take them up on it.
Absolutely.
And this is the perfect job to give them.
And this is all about what you do, smart entertaining.
Right, exactly. So then next, also the decor is fabulous. Keep it simple, keep it on one plane. Feel free to just take some ornaments and dapple them into your tablescape, or a string of globe lights are fantastic. And you don't even have to do a pretty tablecloth. You could easily do butcher paper, which is the quickest cleanup. And right now it's part of the whole fad of the rustic, look.
Just roll it up and toss it.
And finally, we have a really pretty little tiered dessert entertaining piece. These are desserts that I bought from the store that are fantastic, and then we have a 3-ingredient coconut macaroon that we drizzle with chocolate. So we've made one dessert that is made in a bowl and is super delicious, and the rest is just smart shopping.
So no reason to stress out. Just take it one step at a time. Don't go overboard because, again, people don't know what you didn't do. This took you just a few.
They're coming to have a good time.
Couple of minutes, and it's beautiful, and it's more than enough, correct?
Right. And you want to be able to remember your party too. You want to be able to join in the conversation, not be stuck in the kitchen.
All right. Now, how can people find out more about Sumptuous Living? Because there are so many ways. You can get in contact with Mandy any way you want.
We share tips in every single recipe, so there's top tips within each recipe. So go to sumptuousliving.net or find us on Instagram, Facebook, all over social media, and you're going to have the best time. We're going to be best friends, by the way, at the end of all this. So thank you so much for having me. We really appreciate it.
Oh, we love having you here, and thank you for the great ideas, and I think everybody's holidays are going to be just a little bit easier now.
Happy holidays, everybody. Party on.